Hi guys, we're here at the beautiful Clear Creek Campground in Jasper, Alabama. Tonight we're going to be making a chicken fried rice. Over here I've got a pound of chicken that I've already diced up. Put a little bit of sesame oil on it, and we'll be putting a little bit of salt and pepper. Nice and seasoned up. Mix that together. And I've already preheated the scuttle, and we're going to just throw that on there and let that cook for a few minutes. Alright, while our chicken is cooking, I'm going to go ahead and crack some eggs into our bowl and scramble them a little bit, because I like them scrambled before I put them on. And our recipe calls for 6 eggs. A little salt and pepper. Check on our chicken. I'm going to cook the chicken until it's no longer pink. Throw the top on there. So what I like to do when I'm cooking this is I pre-make 2 cups of rice at home. It makes it much easier. The recipe calls to cook it on the scuttle, but we found that didn't cook the rice as much, so I like pre-cook my rice, and then we'll just basically skip that step in the recipe and warm it up on the scuttle after the chicken is all done. At this point in the recipe, you can also add like a bag of frozen vegetables. I'm not a vegetable person, so I don't put that in there. So you can do a can of peas and carrots in there, some broccoli, mushrooms, whatever you like in there, in your chicken fried rice. I think our chicken is done, so we're just going to move it. More oil to it. You could add butter, and we'll do oil. Dump our pre-cooked rice on there. Break up some of the harder spots. Since the rice isn't cooking, this is only going to take a few minutes to warm up. Alright, I think our rice is good. We're going to mix our chicken back in. Our chicken back in, and a fried rice seasoning pack. And you're going to mix that together. Add as much soy sauce as you like. We like a bunch, so. Mix that together a little bit. here's the part I don't like. Adding the eggs in. My eggs always stick. So if you guys have any tips on how to not get my eggs to stick to the scuttle, leave them in the comments below. I do put a good bit more oil back in there. Eggs in, let them scramble up a little bit. Once we get done, we'll put some more soy sauce on there. And then we like this dynamite sauce from PF Changs, kind of like a spicy mayonnaise. And then I like this Chinese chili paste. Really good. Very spicy, but very good. And we add both of those back in, and a little bit more soy sauce. The eggs actually take the longest part of this because they're cooking on that. Still, even after like 4 years of doing this, refining our camp kitchen. So if you have any tips, if you have a galley kitchen like this, you know, any tips on how you set yours up, we'd like to hear about that. We found this the easiest. We've moved the refrigerator into the Jeep. And we have all these little containers for cups and utensils. And when we got our teardrop, we opted to not have the microwave in it, so we got an extra cabinet. Alright guys, you can see the eggs are sticking. Hey, I'm cooking, so I don't have to clean up, so I'm gonna let those cook a few more minutes. Alright, once your eggs are done enough for you, you're just gonna mix it all back in. Get all your egg parts broke up. And we're going to turn the heat down just a little bit. The top on there and let it cook for like 2 or 3 minutes. And then we're gonna have chicken fried rice. Voila, chicken fried rice. Fried rice, happy face. And my chicken fried rice with a little dynamite sauce, soy sauce, and the chili paste in it. And that's it, guys. It's super easy, super good. If you like vegetables, throw those in. We usually sometimes we put mushrooms in, but tonight we're just doing chicken, rice, eggs, and the fried rice seasoning. It's super good and super easy.
Yum yum!
Alright guys, hope you liked this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and we'll see you out there getting fresh air.